Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Ninja blender. So this is a pretty cool blender that comes with many features. So let's take a closer look at this thing. So this is the box that it comes in when you buy it directly from Ninja. So just a plain box with the model number on it. So we do have a little picture here that kind of tells you what's inside. So this is how it comes in. It looks like in little compartments here. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just pull them out here. So we have like a bigger, a smaller one, another one here, and another big one. This one feels like the motor here. So all right, so we'll get rid of this box for now. All right, so in this bigger one here, we can tell that it's the motor in here. Seems like a pretty neat way to pack something. All right, so here we have the actual motor unit. Wow, that's pretty nice, guys. So we have the display here and all the little buttons. You got your little logo right there. And in the back, we even have a cable wind. All right, so that's the motor. We'll set it right here for now. Let's see what else we got. Let's go to this bigger one. I'm sure this is where the canister cup is, and this is where all your paperwork is. It looks like a manual and maybe a little book of recipes. Look at that, guys. So you could actually, you know, blend something together that's maybe delicious. So here we have the canister, and this looks like the lids to it. Okay, so here it says to cut and to be careful because there's sharp blades inside. And here is the container. Everything is nicely packed here. So okay, I guess the loose parts are these guys here that can just slide out and chop you up. So in this box we probably have the lids. Yes, we do. So on this lid here we have a little spout that pours out. That's really cool. So when you're done mixing something, you can just pour it out straight out of this. So this is one of those fancy lids that, like a locking mechanism here, that locks it into place. So all you do is just put it in here, and then you close it, and now it's shut tight in there where it doesn't come out. So pretty nice. So everything seems to be very thought through on this thing. So all right, so putting it on, it should be as simple as just lining it up and spinning it together. So technically it'll go handle this way or handle this way. So either way, if you're a lefty, you can put it that way, and if you're a righty, you can put it on this side. So They definitely thought everything through. All right, guys, so we already have a built machine, but apparently we have more things over here. So let's check it out. Let's go on this one here, see what they give us here. Okay, so here it looks like they include some kind of cups. So it's a cup with a lid that screws on, but it looks like it's just not like an ordinary cup, but a cup that does something, goes into something. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but, and here we have an extra cup that's actually larger. We got a smaller and a bigger one. All right, guys, so this is what we got so far. So we have one more package here. Let's see what's inside of this one. Okay, so we got more lids. Looks like to be the same kind. And the actual part that we need to use all these cups here. So basically, this is actually a dual purpose mixer here, or blender, that can also, you know, blend you in a cup. So if you like to make smoothies, or, you know, or just mix things up in a small portion instead of this huge thing, you can do it in this guy. And we have lids for every single cup. All right, so let's say, you know, you wanted to use these cups instead of this. So, you know, you throw whatever you want in your cup here, and then you close it up, and then all you do is you just put it in there and turn it, and it locks it in. So now you got yourself a little blender here that you can make a quick smoothie out of. So that's really, really cool. And the way that works, guys, is that there's two spinning mechanisms in here. So you got the outer one here that spins a lot slower, and then you got the inner one that spins a lot faster. Hopefully you can see that. So the inner one here, that drives the cup, but the bigger one, you know, drives this main head here. So, and that's how they're able to do, you know, the multi connections here on this Ninja. All right, guys, let's plug this thing in and see how the control panel works there. So I don't see any kind of power button anywhere, so I'm assuming that you just click this. Nope. Okay, maybe it doesn't do anything without the attachment on it. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, so there's a safety built in there where it doesn't want to do anything unless you have something on it. All right, so we have all these options here, but not the frozen drink smoothie option. It says error. So I guess it cannot do that. Pulse. All right, so it definitely works. Oh, and it tells you how many pulses that you've done. All right, let's go to low here. And you can see, guys, it times everything. It basically, you know, tells you exactly what you're doing. So yeah, you got all these different options here, guys. So I'm wondering if our settings here kind of change if we put the other bottle on. Let's try that. Okay, so we don't have these anymore, which is the Nutri Ninja blend and the Nutri Ninja Ultra blend. So we lose these, but we gain the frozen drinks and smoothies. That's very interesting. So this thing is pretty intelligent, and it kind of, you know, it knows how to make a blend, which is interesting. So yeah, I know the Ninja brand here, they think everything through. So a lot of their products are relatively easy to use right out of the box. And so this one looks like it is also pretty easy to use. So I guess if you wanted to turn it off, you just click the off button here and you're done. Very simple. So yeah, guys, I didn't show you the bottom of this thing, but as you can see, it has rubber feet here that are actually also kind of like suction cups. So if you have a pretty flat surface, this thing will stick to it really, really hard. So that's a plus. All right, guys, and this is the Ninja Blender Duo. So it does both types of smoothing and blending. So we got this guy here, and then we got the main blender here. So if you blend a lot, guys, or make smoothies, this is a really good kit here. And it includes everything you need, and it kind of combines 2 in 1 here to give you the versatility for that. So check this thing out, and I'll leave some links in the description where you can get this thing. And it's really cool that they gave you a little book here with different recipes. You know, you can definitely find something in here that you can make with this guy here. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, go check out my other videos. I do reviews on this channel. And also, guys, if you want to see more videos like this and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.